Is SimpliSafe actually safe? Here's my 1-year, honest take and what I learned. I installed it myself and used it every day for a year around the house. Setup was straightforward, tools free, clear app steps, about 30 minutes, no technical skills needed. Hardware feels solid, compact sensors, a sturdy base station, and the build feels premium. Pro tip: map sensors to rooms before mounting for best coverage and label them in the app. Overall, setup was a win, no headaches and quick calibration. Daily reliability was strong, rare false alarms, and consistent motion triggers when expected. The app delivered fast alerts and simple control of devices from anywhere. Battery life varied. Door and motion sensors lasted months, while the keypad and camera needed charges sooner. Customer service helped me resolve issues. Reps were friendly, though wait times sometimes stretched longer than I wanted. Pros: easy setup, reliable monitoring, modular add-ons. Cons: monthly subscription and occasional service delays. My verdict: yes. It's a solid choice if you want simple, dependable security and don't mind the subscription.